Are you ready to stay ahead of the curve and spot the next big opportunity in crypto? With so much noise in the space, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but every cycle brings its winners, and 2025 is no different. This year, I pinpointed three promising crypto plays that are set to redefine the game. And again, this ain't financial advice. This is just a journal what I'm doing. So do your own research and figure it out on what you want to invest in. So these aren't just speculative coins to me or trendy projects. These are real innovations with potential to deliver massive growth. And by the end of this year, not only understand why these projects matter, but also you could capitalize on them before the rest of the market catches on. Let's dive in. In 2017, Ethereum seemed like an overhyped dream. A few visionaries believed in it. It would change the internet forever, but most dismissed it as another Bitcoin copycat. And by 2021, those skeptics had to eat their words when Ethereum hit all-time highs, turning early adopters into overnight millionaires. And what if you had believed in Ethereum back then? What if you have done the research and taken the plunge? Fast forward today, there's Hyper, SFG, and Winner are standing at similar crossroads. They're early stage but packed with potential. Just like Ethereum in 2017, they're gearing up to disrupt industries. And in 2025 might be the year that they explode. What sets these three apart isn't hype, it's substance. Hyper, SFG, and Winner each solve real problems with unique approaches. Hyper is revolutionizing liquidity in decentralized markets. SFG merges gaming with blockchain for some seamless experiences, and Winner gamifies earning through the robust decentralized system. So if you're tired of chasing pump and dump schemes with projects that offer a refreshing focus on innovation, utility, and long-term growth, then this is it. So let's dive into it. Coin number one, why Hyper is the future of liquidity. Liquidity is the lifeblood of any financial system, and Hyper is rewriting the rules. Built on cutting-edge tech, Hyper platform provides ultra-fast, scalable liquidity solutions for traders and decentralized apps. And here's why that matters. Traditional markets suffer from inefficiencies and slow execution. Hyper changes the game by introducing instant liquidity pools that are cheaper and faster. So if you take a look at their roadmap and partnerships, early adopters of platforms like Uniswap saw exponential growth. Hyper has a similar potential. So have you ever struggled with slippage or delays in DeFi trades? Hyper eliminates these pain points, making trading smoother and more profitable. All right, coin number two is SFG, how SFG is gaming blockchain. Gaming and crypto are merging, but most projects struggle to attract mainstream users. Enter SFG, SoulForge Fusion, a hybrid of collectible card game and blockchain technology. Why this stands out to me is SFG combines an engaging gameplay experience with real ownership of digital assets with these cards. And this is a massive step forward in mainstream adoption. And basically how to play is to follow in their game marketplace launches. Players and collectors are already snapping up these cards that could appreciate significantly in value. Gaming drives massive adoption. If you look at like Axie Infinity earlier, SFG is the next iteration, but better integrated and more engaging. Coin number three is Winner. It's gamified ecosystem that is a game changer. Crypto can feel intimidating to newcomers, but Winner makes it fun and rewarding. Through its innovative play-to-earn platform, Winner is bridging the gap between entertainment and earning. It's like an online casino. And what makes this unique is the robust, decentralized ecosystem ensures fairness and scalability. You're not just a player, you're part of the whole system. How to maximize is you can start playing and start staking early. The reward system heavily favors those who engage now before masses flooded. So if you ever wished crypto adoption could be less complicated, Winner proves it could be fun, accessible, and lucrative all at once. So will you be ready? 2025 is shaping up to be another breakout year for crypto, but success will favor those who act early and decisively. Hyper, SFG, and Winner represent not just opportunities but potential turning points in their respective fields. So if you're ready to take the leap and stay ahead of the crowd, or will you watch from the sidelines as others ride the wave? What I would say is don't miss out. Bookmark these names, check it out, do your own research, dive into their platforms, and start positioning yourself for what could be the next best thing in crypto. All right, talk soon.